Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you 3 tricks on creating spooky edits on PicsArt. Starting off with a scarred sugar skull. First, select a portrait of your preference. Now go to Sticker and search Skull. Select the one as shown and blend and multiply it. Then adjust the sticker to your image and remove a part of the sticker and the excess with the eraser. Now click the add sign and select stickers. Here search wound and select the one as shown. Blend and multiply the sticker and adjust it to the face as shown. Go to stickers again and pick the same scar sticker and repeat the process. Now moving on, the second spooky edit is Chucky. Select a portrait of your preference and go to sticker and search Chucky. Select the one suitable for your image. So decrease the opacity for placement convenience and adjust it to your image. Then with eraser, erase the excess. Make sure that you erase the eyes of the sticker as well. Now blend and darken the sticker and click Done. The Chucky mask is ready. Moving on to the third spooky edit, select a portrait image of your preference. Then go to Stickers and search Machine Skull. Select the one as shown and decrease its opacity for placement convenience. Now erase the entire sticker with the eraser. With the brush, draw on the skull on parts of the image as shown. Click Done and add in some effects for more impact. So that's it for the spooky edits. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.